ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Here are some easy examples of prepositions. Away from. The dog is away from the house. Away from. Beside. The dog is beside the man. Beside. Near. The girl is near the window. Near. In front. The car is in front of the house. In front. Between. The cat is between the trees. Between. After. The dog chase after the cat. After. The middle. The dog is in the middle of the carpet. The middle. Among. The dog is among the toys. Among. On. The cat is on the table. On. Under. The cat is under the table. Under. Around. The dog and the cat is around the house. Around. At. The cat is at the door. At. Behind. The dog is behind the sofa. Behind. Next to. The dog sitting next to the gift. Next to. In. The dog is in the box. In. Above. The bird is above the dog. Above. Out. The dog is out from the house. Out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.